Hey guys, Happy-Go-Lucky here, back with another maths question of the day. Today we're looking at an isosceles triangle problem solving question, and it goes as follows. Kim knows that one angle of an isosceles triangle is 48 degrees. He says that one of the other angles must be 66 degrees. Explain why Kim is wrong. Press pause, have a go at the question, and I'll be back with the work solutions in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay guys, back with the work solutions. The first thing we need to look at then is the exam paper is asking you to explain why Kim is wrong. So you can't go, oh, he's right, the exam paper is trying to trick me. That never happens. There is a reason that Kim is wrong. So let's look. We know there's an isosceles triangle, and we're told that one angle is 48. So let's draw out, sketch out an isosceles triangle. They're the ones where you've got two sides the same. And if you have two sides the same, you have two angles the same. If you imagine this is a little person, he's got two arms and he's got two shoes, and the shoe sizes have to be the same. So if this triangle, the top angle was 48 degrees, like Kim says, that would leave two similar angles down the bottom. Now, we should already know from previous sessions that angles add up to 180 in a triangle. So if we do 180 take away 48, that will leave us 132 degrees. And when you divide that by 2, one for each angle, then absolutely right, it's 66 degrees. So Kim's right for this triangle, but there's another triangle. So let's draw that one out and see how Kim is actually wrong. Okay, so for the second triangle, yes, it's still isosceles, but what if the angle down the bottom was 48? Now, remember, what we know about isosceles triangles is the bottom angles have to be the same. So that would make this one also 48. And two 48s together make 96. We know the angles in a triangle adds up to 180, which leaves 4 on top of 96 is 100, and then 80 more to make 180. 84 degrees for the single angle at the top there. There's no angle there that's 66 degrees. So although Kim's right, if the 48 degree angle is the one at the top, the single angle, if 48 is the shared angle, as in two 48s, then the other angle has to be 84 and not a 66 in sight. To confirm that then, to get the marks, you need to make it clear that you're aware there's two different types of isosceles triangle. So if you just mention something like, for example, if you do 180, take away two 48s, that leaves you 84. You're making it absolutely clear that there's no 66 in sight. You could represent both triangles. You could show the angles of the two different triangles next to each other to prove that one of them doesn't contain a 66. But that is your problem solved. 2 marks. Okay, hope you enjoyed that one. I've been Happy-Go-Lucky, and you've been doing some isosceles triangle problem solving. Good for you. Thanks for watching, guys. See you soon. Bye.